ucabanga kanjalo. Number 3, usho openly uthi kune azobesengani khona iganyana ukuthi kodwa futhi abakho ngala abakhe laba abantu khona iganyana olisebenzile
camp
nakya wathi camp yakho icamp yakhe waqala futhi washo wathi hayi nidlala ngenduku umgangela nje intelezi nabo bashaye yabo wathi kodwa ngathi stay soft nawe also washaye yakho kwenzekani emkhondweni wesizwe ungabe sekuyintelezi party.
Okay asiqale lana babumbo asiye kuleyo ukuthi asiye kule eyokuqala ethi kuma guidelines ukuthi lo imayifika kumele avala amasango cha akukho kuma guidelines into engizikhulumela yona why ngiyikhulumela kanjalo ngoba ngisuke ngibaleka iconfusion ukuthi uzothi mayise busy unabanye abaphumayo unabanye abezayo so ngisuke sengithi mina udeploy mayisefikile ake kuvale nje amasango ukuthi asiqale nisebenzeni madoda ukuze nabafuna ukusolve bangakwazi ukuzosolve nabafuna ukuzohlasela bangahlaseli nabafuna impi ingakwazi ukwenzeka sonke into siyenza sila sonkeni so lokho akukho kuma guidelines. It's my own opinion that I'm just highlighting right now which maybe I thought it was the best solution to be done by the organization. Right. Number 2, there was a question whereby you said kwamanye amawadi there were 5-6 people in kweyethu wadi initially ngokomthetho ufanele ngabe bekunabantu abawu6 abastandile according to the guidelines ithi each and every VD kumele iphakamise umuntu oyi1 so because thina sinama VD awu6 bekufanele kube abantu abawu6 but the truth is before siye lapha kunama caucus esiwahlalayo masihlala ama caucus wethu sikhuluma ukuthi nithini ngapho kuleyo VD but hayi thina sicula into eculwa yini nina nithini so uma siya lapha 5 VDs we're talking about uKehlelezi only 1 VD not even that VD some few members were saying asimfuni uKehlelezi with other members or from other VDs so as I'm saying to you you cannot say uphikisa abantu abawu600 or 700 nina no 150 noma no 200 and you expect to win you can't. Number 4 i-question oyibuzile uthi sekuyintelezi party bafike ngentelezi nawe impitelezi asingakubalekeli lokho ukuthi as much as ngiku MK but ngiyinyanga as much as ngiku MK into yangingenisa kumkhonto wesizwe ingoba umsholozi uthe akayilahleli inyanga ngaphandle isangoma akasilahleli ngaphandle whatever that you believe in that is why ku MK kunale desk SCT abelaphi bendabuko likhona futhi liyaphila so asisho kumkhonto wesizwe ukuthi siyohlala sibusa abantu ngentelezi but if I see you coming with intelezi ngizojabula excitement izoba khona kimi ngoba ngijwayele lento wena uyilande kumuntu la uyilande khona mina ngiyayakha ngiyazi ukuthi okay ngayishintsha le yakho ijike futhi kusanganise that is why kwagcina sekunetha nemvula sekwenza ini ngoba ngabona sekudlalwa kabi la sekudlalwa kabi okay ayidlaleke le edlalayo kwathi iqala kumenyezelwa ukuthi hayi ke thinithi ucandidate esihamba nayo uKehlelezi yasho imvula yathi wachaza ukuthi ithi imvula hlakazekani sesiqedile ngoba uKehlelezi siyamazi usebenzelile umkhonto wesizwe not in KZN only mina I've managed uyabona le nto mbomvu eyokuthi ngangikhompyutha nale ndoda enye to me it was an exercise because ngikwazi ukuhlanganisa ama province mina la eLimpopo wade kuthiwa akahlangani khona ngihlanganisa eGiyani ngene ngiyakhumbula ngeke ngangena weSipapa Pheni wathi uPapa Pheni ngeke ukwazi ukuhlanganisa abantu because bazi mina ngathi mina le wait and see ubone ngikwenza lokho I've managed a Free State beme ngeyibhamu bethi ngeke ngene ngangena Free State ngayihlanganisa Free State yathula athi 2 ngingenile eMthatha ingakithi eMthatha ngwasemon Freya mina akwasabambikani ngangena ayihlanganisa eMthatha yathula athi 2 so le nto le iwadi kumina into encane kakhulu so le nto ayenziwa awu into encane
cha wena maqhawe ngiyazi impela ukuthi